In this standard, we're going to learn how to multiply and divide rational numbers. The standard is NS2C, Apply Properties of Operations as Strategies to Multiply and Divide Rational Numbers. A rational number is any number that can be represented as a fraction. And remember, a numerator is the top number in a fraction showing how many parts. The denominator is the bottom number in a fraction showing the total population. When multiplying fractions, convert to an improper fraction if needed. Multiply numerators. Multiply denominators, simplify if needed. If both fractions are negative, the product is positive. If the fractions are negative and positive, the product is negative. So let's say I have negative 2 1/3 times 4 negative 4/5. Okay, so my first step is to convert 2 1/3 to an improper fraction. So I multiply the denominator to the whole number and add it to the numerator, and I have negative 7/3 times negative 4/5. Negative times a negative is a positive, so our product is going to be positive. 7 times 4 is 28 over 15. Divide 15 to 28 one time with 13 left over, so I get 1 and 13/15. Dividing fractions is just like what you did in 6th grade, KCF. Same rules apply. If both fractions are negative, the product is positive. If the fractions are negative and positive, the product is negative. So if I have negative 2/3 divided by negative 1 1/2, negative half. I keep change flip, negative 2/3 times negative 2 over 1, and I get positive 4/3. Convert it back. Whole number, numerator, denominator stays the same. Say I had negative 2 3/8 divided by negative 1 2/9. My first step, actually I'm going to go positive 1 2/9. My first step for both is to convert them both into improper fractions. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 3 is 19, so I get negative 19/8 divided by 11/9. Now, as you can see, I haven't done keep, change, flip. All I've done is convert to an improper fraction. Now, keep the first one the same. Change to multiplication sign and flip it to its reciprocal. $19 times 9 is negative 171 over 88. I now convert it back. 88 into 171 one time. $83 left over. My answer is negative 1 and 83/88.